guys, it's me, Lexi. Welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, I'm in a whole different setting. I'm doing a sit down video today because I just figured at my grown age, I should probably be knowing how to do my makeup. So today I'm gonna be following a makeup tutorial and doing my soft beat makeup routine. I don't actually have a makeup routine and I don't actually know how to do any kind of makeup besides a little bit of concealer here and there. But I'm gonna watch a routine and I'm gonna do my absolute best and you guys are gonna come along for the ride. So I actually just got back from a lash appointment. I had one at like 11 this morning and my lashes look so full and cute. I'm so happy. So before I can really get into any kind of makeup routine, I have to wash my face because if you want your makeup to go on smooth and like be top tier, then you have to have a really clean face. The thing about me when I do my makeup is just I feel like I don't put like the makeup in the right spot. Like I know what makeup is for what and like what goes where, but I feel like maybe I'd be putting my makeup too low. You see all this like natural highlight on my face when I'm sitting in front of the light? Like I still want some of this natural highlight. Like I don't want to look too cakey. I still want to give natural, and I have not found a way to just have an in-between soft beat makeup routine. So we're gonna be trying our very hardest today, and I'm excited because it's very different from what I normally film, but just stay. Let's put our hair up. I'm contemplating taking out these braids, y'all, because they're just getting a little bit crusty. I have to put these on because it's like, it annoys me so much when the water just runs down on my hands. I cannot stand that feeling. All right, guys, so now it's time to wash our face, and I'm so excited because this portion of the video is sponsored by Curology. If you guys are not new to my channel and you've been here before, you know Curology. She's like my best friend. Like, I don't know if Curology is a she, but she is to me because ever since I started using Curology back in high school, my skin, I literally have never had any problems with my skin ever since. For the years and years that I have been using Curology, I will only change it if it's the winter season and my skin is a little bit dry. In that case, I'll just reach out to my dermatology provider and they will switch up my formula for me. But that is like one thing that I love about Curology. No matter what your skin is going through, you can reach out to your dermatology provider and they will switch up your formula so that it works best for you. And I know it can be like kind of confusing when you're getting into skincare, like what skincare is best for you, but I have found that for me personally, sticking to a routine and letting my skin get to know these products has worked wonders for me. Literally, I don't switch up. Like I stay true and faithful to what works, and Curology works for me, so I'm sticking to it. So it's 3 easy steps, which is probably one of my other favorite parts about Curology. It's 3 steps and then some sunscreen after, but it's 3 steps, literally. This is all I need. And in the morning, it's only 2 steps because I only use my custom formula at nighttime. In the morning, it's just these 2 easy steps and it feels light. Like me personally, I don't like putting too much skincare and my skin is just like, feels like really heavy. It just feels like a lot of product on my skin. So I like that their cleanser is very light and their moisturizer is as well. My skin like glows after I wash my face and put my moisturizer on. Literally just like that, my skin is cleansed, it's fresh, it's clean. If you guys want to get on top of your skincare routine, then click the link in my bio to start your Curology journey. All right guys, so my skin is all prepped, it's clean, I have a clean base. I'm gonna show you guys the video that I found on YouTube, and personally this girl's makeup came out literally stunning. Like it looks so good, and this one is a clean girl makeup everyday soft glam. So this is like an everyday makeup routine. Like I need to be able to do my everyday makeup before I can even get into full face. So let me show y'all this video. This is the tutorial that we are going to be following for this video. I will link it in the description for you guys if you want to go watch it. But this is a video by Chrissy Cousins. Shout out to you, girl, for teaching me how to do my makeup, because what am I doing? In her description it says simple, natural, and lightweight woman of color. She seems to be a similar shade to me. I think her video is gonna be a good one. I'm literally gonna follow her video step by step, and I'm gonna try to use all the products that she used. But obviously if I don't have it, I don't have it. But it looks like she doesn't use any foundation in this. She's just gonna go in with a tinted moisturizer. I literally just got a tinted moisturizer from Sephora by the brand Ilia, I think. Honestly, that might be good. I found my skin tint. So she starts off with the tinted moisturizer. This one is by Ilia in the shade, I don't know, oh, Kamari. So here's the one I'm gonna be using. I've actually heard good things about them, so I'm gonna play her video and just copy. Y'all, look how good her makeup looks. Like, this is such a perfect everyday look. It looks so cute. So she pretty much went in with the tinted moisturizer like all over, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put some on my hand. I feel like my tinted moisturizer, well, this one is a little bit more of like watery based. I don't know if that makes sense, but I think it's a little bit more watery than the NARS one. But I am all for having your skin tint or like a tinted moisturizer be the base, because I don't know, I just can't. I'm not a makeup girl. Like I cannot get my makeup to look good with like foundation. So I put it all over my face. I'm gonna go ahead and use my foundation brush to blend it all in. Uh-oh, I'm getting a little scared. If you mess up one thing, you could really mess up the whole look. Like if one color doesn't quite match, because what the heck, why? Maybe I should just use my hand. Does this look right, y'all? Y'all, even on the first step, I feel like something is just wrong. The next step that she does is go in with some concealer. She's using the LA Girl HD Pro concealer, this one right here. I don't know if this is my right color, so let's do a little test before putting this on my face. This one seems to be a little light. Let's blend it in though. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my concealer in the same spot that she put hers, which was right under her eyes for starters. Ooh, this is kind of thick. She low-key put a lot, I'm not gonna lie. And then she put some kind of like down here, maybe to help carve out our nose. And then she went with some down here and up here. Y'all, this better work. Okay, so the very next step she does before blending her concealer is some contour. This is the contour stick that I've been using. I don't even know where I got this. I really don't. It says No Limits Courage on the bottom. I don't even know what brand this is, to be honest. But this is what it looks like. She went in with the bronzer like right under the concealer. Y'all, I'd be scared. She kind of put some like on her forehead. So she also contoured like a little bit right here. So I'm gonna get a small brush because this kind of is a weird tip. So I'm gonna get this brush here. Ooh, that is harsh. Okay. So before she actually went in and blended her concealer out, she did her contour first. So I'm gonna do what she did because her makeup looked bomb. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend up this, y'all. Hold on, because I actually have hope. That is looking good. I just feel like, y'all, I'm going into senior year of college and I want to be able to do my makeup by now. Like, I don't know what the heck I be doing. I feel like I just be playing in my face for real. And it's time to do my makeup. And honestly, I was not the type of girl who grew up trying to do the makeup tutorials. Like, I really wasn't doing that until like high school. And by then, it was too late. I was already bad. Y'all, I'm really glad I went with this concealer because this concealer is blending really good. Wait, why is my makeup going on so good right now? My makeup literally never, ever. Y'all see this? It's actually like blending really good. That skin tint might be tea. Hold on. Why does it look so good? Like I still am giving shiny, but we haven't like, you know, we haven't like set it or anything. I just realized I didn't even do my eyebrows yet or any primer, but I'm copying hers. So going in with the Laura Mercier translucent powder, I'm going to lightly set. She is not like baking it on and wiping it off. She's just like very lightly dispersing the product under her eyes. Oh, that was not light at all. Y'all, is it making a difference? So she put some of the powder down here. Oh my freaking god. She basically put it everywhere that she put concealer, including like right here. Y'all, do I look a mess or do I look good? Because y'all gonna be honest, right? And she also put some like right on the bridge of her nose, like this. All right, this is what she did, y'all. So she just put it and then kind of just brushed it off. All right, to be honest, I never saw her do her eyebrows, but she honestly has perfect eyebrows, so she probably didn't do them. But I'm gonna stop right here and do my eyebrows because my eyebrows look crazy. If I wasn't following her routine step by step, I probably would have done my eyebrows first, but I really don't think she ever even did her eyebrows. I'm gonna go ahead and use this Anastasia Brow Wiz, and I love this product. I actually used to use the brow gel before I was using the brow pencil. I don't even know why that product ever even came out because, to be honest, that gel was just so thick and like hard to get right, and the pencil is just like 10 times easier to me. I kind of just follow the natural shape of my eyebrows, and unfortunately they are completely different. So for one of the eyebrows, I follow the natural shape, and for the other one, I kind of try to mimic this eyebrow on the other side. I'm gonna go ahead and do this eyebrow. She might have actually just taught me how to do my makeup, because I haven't even done any bronzer or blush, and I feel like I've never gotten my makeup to look this good ever. So I might be following a tutorial every single time I do my makeup from now on. Maybe I just need that step-by-step guidance, I don't know. Using a little bit of concealer and this brush, I'm gonna go ahead and like carve out my eyebrows really quick. Y'all, if this makeup comes out good, I'm gonna go out. I'm not gonna waste the look. But that's only if it comes out good and doesn't play in my face. Alright, I've definitely done my eyebrows better than this, but I'm not gonna lie, I feel like not doing them first low-key messed me up, but whatever, we're gonna continue. Now my face is kind of looking a little bit flat because I haven't bronzed or did any blush, and she definitely did both of that. So let me go back in her video and see what blush and stuff and bronzer she used. Okay, so in the video she's using Fenty Beauty's bronzer. I have Fenty Beauty bronzer as well, and it's actually so good. Like, I'm obsessed. My favorite color is Caramel Cutie. She used, I think, Coconutty. So I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of put this where she put it. I don't quite know what brush. Okay, maybe this one. So I'm not exactly sure what's the proper brush, but I'm gonna use this one. This is a Coach brush. I got this sent in PR before, y'all, but it's a fluffy brush. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this where she applied some bronzer. Let me go back on this video, girl, because she's going. So she kind of pretty much just applied the bronzer where she put the contour, actually. I feel like where I go wrong is the application. Like, I'll just be touching my face with the brush, and I feel like there's more of a technique that I'm supposed to be following here, but one thing at a time, one thing at a time. She also uses a bit of the same bronzer that she put on the rest of her face, kind of for a little bit of eyeshadow, just to kind of add some color. So I'm gonna do the same exact thing using an eyeshadow brush. And y'all, if it weren't for these brushes having what they're for, I would be even more lost, so I appreciate that. That actually makes a really big difference. The next step that she does is some blush. So she actually was using the exact same shade I have. This is the Milk Lip and Cheek in the color Work. I'm gonna use this for blush, y'all. Please, I don't know. But I'm gonna just lightly tap this on the apple of my cheeks. And y'all wanna know I never use blush really, but I feel like this is one layer that you really need because I wanna not be two-dimensional either. I wanna be three-dimensional. So I feel like this adds like another layer of like dimension for the whole look, because I don't wanna disappear and just be flat. So the very last step in her tutorial is just some lip. Okay, so I found my regular NYX brown, just the color brown. This is the lip liner I normally use, and I'm gonna go ahead and outline. So for the lip gloss, I'm gonna just go in with my Dior lip oil, and I'm gonna put that right on top, and boom. So y'all, this is all the makeup that she did in her tutorial, and I don't know, I'm about to go to another part of the room and see what it looks like, because I feel like sitting in front of these lights, I don't get the real effect. My edges already look a mess. All right, you guys, so this is the finished look. This is the finished product. I'm still learning, so I think I did okay, but I think my problem is definitely the application. I feel like I'm not blending out the products into each other very good, so it's just kind of like, I don't know, all over the place. Let's go to like my living room and see. Ooh, okay. So when I'm out of the harsh lighting, I feel like I actually am not too mad at it. I think I'm just gonna follow that one tutorial over and over again until I master this look, because this is definitely the look that I'm trying to go for, like simple, everyday, soft glam. Please, in the comment section, leave some tips on how to get some flawless makeup. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm actually really happy with the look. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up, hit the post notification bell, and hit that subscribe button. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.